Hey everyone. Welcome back. Your go-to destination for all things home design and decor. If you're looking to add warmth, texture, and a touch of personality to your space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the timeless charm of wooden wall decor. From rustic accent walls to modern laser-cut designs, I'll be sharing creative ideas to transform your interiors and make your walls truly stand out. Wooden wall decor has been a cornerstone of interior design for centuries, evolving alongside architectural styles and cultural trends. Its timeless appeal lies in its natural beauty, durability, and versatility, which have made it a preferred choice for enhancing interiors across different eras and regions. Ancient beginnings. The use of wood in interior spaces dates back to ancient civilizations. In Egyptian and Mesopotamian cultures, wood was intricately carved and used to adorn temples, palaces, and homes of the elite. These early wooden elements often depicted religious or mythological motifs, serving both decorative and symbolic purposes. Medieval and Renaissance influence. During the Middle Ages in Europe, wood became a key material in Gothic and Romanesque architecture. Walls in castles and manors were often paneled with richly carved wood to insulate rooms and add grandeur. By the Renaissance, wood decor became more refined, with intricate inlays and patterns inspired by classical art and geometry. Colonial and rustic charm. In colonial America, wooden wall decor took on a more functional and rustic form. Wainscoting and beadboard were popular, not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for their practicality in protecting walls from wear and tear. These designs were often simplistic, reflecting the utilitarian ethos of the time. Modernism and minimalism. The 20th century saw a shift in wooden wall decor styles. With the advent of modernism, clean lines and minimalistic designs replaced ornate carvings. Wooden wall panels, often made from veneer or plywood, became a staple in mid-century modern interiors. These panels offered a sleek and uniform appearance, emphasizing functionality and simplicity. Contemporary trends. Today, wooden wall decor is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, blending traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design. Modern homes feature reclaimed wood panels, geometric wooden art, and laser-cut designs that cater to eco-conscious and artistic sensibilities. Accent walls made of wood, 3D wooden tiles, and floating shelves are also popular choices, adding warmth and texture to interiors. Cultural significance. Globally, wooden wall decor reflects cultural diversity. In Asia, intricate lattice screens and carved panels are common, while Scandinavian designs emphasize natural finishes and simplicity. African and Native American cultures incorporate wood carvings with symbolic patterns into their interiors. Wooden wall decor continues to be a versatile and enduring element in home design, bridging the gap between tradition and modernity while offering endless possibilities for personalization. In the contemporary world, wooden wall decor reflects a fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern design sensibilities, making it a global phenomenon. This blending of cultural aesthetics and innovative techniques has elevated wooden decor from a functional element to a versatile art form that transcends borders. Sustainability and eco-conscious design. One of the most significant modern influences on wooden wall decor is the global emphasis on sustainability. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and sustainably sourced timber are now widely used, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Designers integrate these materials into wall panels, art pieces, and accent installations, promoting environmental responsibility while retaining the natural beauty of wood. Minimalism and Scandinavian influence. The Scandinavian design movement, known for its minimalism and connection to nature, has significantly shaped modern wooden wall decor. Clean lines, light-colored woods like pine or birch, and simple geometric patterns dominate this style. These designs emphasize functionality and warmth, making them popular in urban homes worldwide. Global fusion of styles. Modern wooden wall decor often blends cultural influences, creating pieces that resonate universally. For example, Asian-inspired latticework is paired with Scandinavian simplicity, or African tribal motifs are incorporated into contemporary art installations. This fusion reflects the interconnectedness of today's world and the growing appreciation for diverse artistic traditions. Technology and innovation. Advancements in technology have revolutionized wooden wall decor. Techniques like laser cutting, CNC carving, and 3D printing allow for intricate designs that were once labor-intensive. These methods enable the creation of modern geometric patterns, abstract art, and customizable pieces tailored to individual preferences. Rustic and industrial aesthetics. The rise of rustic and industrial interior styles has brought wooden wall decor into the spotlight. Reclaimed wood panels, barnwood accents, and distressed finishes are popular in homes seeking a warm, vintage look. When combined with industrial elements like metal or concrete, these designs create a striking contrast that blends tradition with modernity. Artistic expression and personalization. Today's wooden wall decor serves as a medium for artistic expression. Customizable pieces, such as personalized wooden name signs, laser-etched art, and modular wall panels, allow homeowners to make unique statements. Artists and designers worldwide experiment with textures, colors, and forms, showcasing wood's versatility as a canvas. In modern interiors, wooden wall decor is more than a design element, it is a bridge between tradition and innovation, offering endless possibilities for personalization while celebrating global artistry. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope these wooden wall decor ideas have inspired you to transform your space and add a touch of natural charm to your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite. Or if you have a wooden decor project of your own to share.